Good afternoon guys. You have been asking me for this P2P bundle for a long time and decided to share it with you. With the help of it, you can earn a good car if you know how to use it. To begin with, we found the site in holds.com or follow the link in the description. As you can see on this exchange, the exchange rate of Bitcoin or LITECOIN is slightly higher than an usual Binance rate. Profit is approximately 6%. Now I will make a deposit and come back to you.
Why'd you pull the trigger? You won't find the light in the smoke and mirrors. You're screaming my name, we're lost in the haze. Baby, tell me, are you entertained? You're saying my name, calling me insane. I'm running like a bullet to the brain.
As you can see, everything has come, and now we can successfully complete our exchange and receive our money. Everything has arrived, the money is on my Binance. Here it is our P2P bundle. There is nothing difficult about it. I hope everyone can handle it. If you have any questions guys, ask them to me in the comments. And thank you everyone for watching and good luck.